Ready to get started? Open your ESS app and log in using the details sent to your email. Copy the company URL from the email. Then your email address and password, and tap Login. You may tick Keep Me Logged In for quicker access next time. Once you land on your profile page, you're all set. Checking in your attendance is simple using your mobile ESS. From the main screen, tap Mobile Check-in. Make sure the time shown is correct, and add an optional remark if you like. You'll see a confirmation screen. That means your attendance is recorded. Your daily attendance starts with a single check-in and check-out for the day. You may also record optional attendance actions throughout the day, such as lunch breaks or offsite work. For example, if you're going for lunch, simply select the appropriate attendance option before checking out. Once you return, simply check back in to continue your attendance. GPS location is automatically recorded with each attendance action. At the end of the day, remember to check out to complete your daily attendance. Alternatively, you can also record your attendance using your personal QR code in the app. From the main screen, tap Profile at the bottom right to display it. Your personal QR code will be displayed here. This is what you'll use for attendance with QR scanning devices. If you want to record your location, use the Pin Drop feature. Pin Drop is an optional feature that allows you to manually record and save your location anytime, anywhere. This can be useful for work activities outside of attendance, such as visiting client sites, off-site tasks, or field work. Tap Pin Drop. Then drop pin here. A small pop-up will appear, tap Close, and your location is recorded. Pin Drop is independent from daily attendance and is not required for check-in. It provides a convenient way to keep a location reference whenever needed. You can scroll down to see your history or copy your location if needed. Here's how you can request leave using the ESS app. Start by opening the Leave section and create a new request. Choose the type of leave and set your dates. You may also attach supporting documents if necessary before submitting. Include a note if necessary. Then submit the request. A pop-up will confirm your leave request was sent for approval. Scroll down to check your pending requests and past leave records. You can also submit claims from the app. Open the Claims section and begin a new submission. Select the type of claims as assigned to you by your policy. Then enter the claim amount and upload your receipt. Tap Apply Claim to complete your submission. A pop-up will confirm your claim was submitted successfully. You can scroll down anytime to check the status and view your previous claims. You're all set. Welcome to Track and Roll.